Thyroid hormone mechanism of action. Step 1. Hormone classifications are dependent on their chemical structure and solubility. You have lipid-soluble and lipid-insoluble. Specifically, thyroid hormones and steroid hormones are common examples of lipid-soluble hormones. Lipid molecules naturally form a bilayered membrane in which the polar, hydrophilic heads face outward and the nonpolar, hydrophobic tails attach together on the inside to form the wall. Step 2. This bilayered membrane of lipid molecules has an oily inner core which causes it to be selectively permeable to the lipid-soluble substances like thyroid hormone. Step 3. The thyroid hormone thyroxine, which is lipid-soluble, permeates through the cellular membrane and attaches itself to an intracellular receptor of the target cell. Thyroxine has 4 iodine ions and is often abbreviated T4. The thyroid also secretes smaller amounts of a similar molecule, which is abbreviated T3. This forms what is known as a hormone receptor complex, or HRC. Step 4. This HRC is transported into the nucleus and attaches itself to the DNA and begins the transcription, which ends up forming mRNA. Step 5. The new mRNA leaves the nucleus and is translated to form a new protein. The new protein, typically enzymes, alter the physiological effect of the cell. Step 6. For example, when these new proteins enter the mitochondria, it affects the metabolic rate and oxygen intake of the cell. This is called the calorogenic effect. It is enzymes like these that affect important roles like cellular glucose metabolism from glucose uptake to glycolysis. Another enzyme that is created is known as ATPase, which allows the sodium-potassium pump to release sodium out of the cell and potassium to enter the cell. The thyroid hormone mechanism of action is an extremely complicated yet important process. Thyroid hormone itself is important for regulation of metabolism, can slow down or speed up your heartbeat, can raise and lower body temperature, affect digestion, muscle strength, and how quickly your body replaces dying cells. So as you can see, thyroid hormone is vital for healthy living, and so is this process.